everybody. This is Felicia. Hope all is well. And coming to you today for some Pilates. We're going to do the core today with some traditional Pilates moves. My last video, I didn't have enough light, so I have extra light today, and I am blinded by the light. So you're going to have to bear with me. I have to get used to this. But why don't we get started? I am going to sit with our feet on the ground, knees up. You can put your hands at the back of the thigh. We're just going to roll ourselves all the way back to the mat. Okay, I'm just going to scooch myself a little bit down. Bring one knee into the chest and then the other. You can just rock left to right to give yourself a nice little massage. When you're ready, you can come up to tabletop, bringing your arms back by your ears, but not past your ears, because what we usually do is pop our lower back when we do that. So we want to keep the arms a little bit above the ears. Belly is in. Don't pop the back, but keep a little space in neutral or natural spine, so then you have the correct posture. Okay, we're going to do a prep for hundreds. So our fingertips curl up towards the ceiling, head, neck, and chest comes up, coming up to the tips of the shoulder blades. Our fingers are going past our legs, again, all the way up to the tips of the shoulder blades. We want to feel like we have a fist in between our chin and our chest, and then coming all the way back down. We're going to do that again with a breath. Breathing in and out. Belly is in, curling up the head, neck, and chest. Fingertips feeling like they're stretching past the body. Again, fist in between chin and chest, and all the way up on the tips of the shoulder blades. And coming down. Breathing in and out. Coming all the way up, belly is in. Feel those fingertips past the body and then coming down. And again, breathing in and out. This time we're going to stay up. Okay? Tips of the shoulder blades, again, chin is away from the chest. Feeling that belly in. We're going to bounce our arms up and down, breathing in and out. Breathing in and out. Now remember, if your neck is feeling any tension, you can always bring it down and just do the arms. But it's preferable, if you can, to come all the way up to the tips of the shoulder blades while bouncing those arms up and down. Continue breathing in and out. And again, breathing in and out. If your head was up, you can bring it down, bring the knees into the chest. You can rock left to right. And you can also say no with the head. Say, no, Felicia, we're not doing that again. We're not going to do it again, but we're going to do something similar. Okay? So we're going to curl up the head, neck, and chest again if you want. It's not a necessity if you're brand new doing Pilates. So we're going to curl up the head, neck, breathing in and out. Coming up, chin away from the chest, up on the tips of those shoulder blades, elbows out to the side. One leg is going to come out straight. The other, we have our hands at our shin. We're going to breathe in and out and switch the legs. If you have tight hamstrings, you can always bend the knee a little bit. Breathing in and out and switch. Breathing in and out and switch. Now, you can always make sure that your hips are not going side to side. Okay? You want to keep them on the same plane. Remember, you could always bring the head down if it's starting to hurt. Okay? And using your breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Coming back down with the head, knees into the chest. You can rock left to right. And you can always say no with the head once again. Felicia, don't want to do that again. We're going to say, well, we're going to, but maybe a little bit different this time. So, curling up the head, neck, and chest again. You could always keep it down, remember, if it's hurting. Breathing in and out. Curling up the head, neck, and chest. Belly is in, elbows out to the side, chin away from the chest. Again, belly in, and tips of the shoulder blades. Okay, one leg's going to come up to the ceiling. Keep it bent if you have tight hamstrings. Extend the other leg out. Okay, I'm going to extend my legs. Hands behind the thigh. Breathing in and out. And we're going to switch and switch. Again, if you ever want to bring the head down, please do so, especially if you're a beginner. Sometimes it takes a little time to build up the muscles. So using your breath. Make sure those hips are not going side to side. Good. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Knees into the chest. And bring your head left to right. And also left to right with the legs to massage the back. Now we're going to do one more. Okay? Just one more, I promise. Curling up the head, neck, and chest. Breathing in and out. Elbows out to the side. Chest is wide, chin away from the chest, up on the tips of the shoulder blades. Both arms and legs come out, sweeping the arms around to the shins. Breathing in and out. Breathing in and out. And again, you could always bring the head down if it's starting to hurt, okay? Using your breath. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Coming all the way down, going left to right with the head. Good. Now we can do a fun one. Now we're going to put our hands at the back of the thigh. We're going to curl up our head, neck, and chest, coming up to resting on our tailbone without putting our feet onto the floor. We're going to roll like a ball back and forth without getting our head onto the mat and our feet onto the floor. Okay, let's try that. Breathing in and out. Coming all the way up to a seated position, resting on that tailbone, chest is wide, elbows out to the side. Okay? Then we're going to go back and back up. So, and good. Using your breath. And you can have some fun with it. Whee! Good. Let's do 3 more. 3, 2, and 1. Whee! Okay. Awesome. Thank you so much for coming with me today and doing this wonderful belly series. Hope you enjoyed it. I would say if you can do this a couple times a week to really start building up those muscles in the core, also the muscles in the neck and the chest in order to curl up the head, neck, and chest, that would be great. Thank you so much. Namaste.